Hello everyone, it's Abraham again. Hope you're all doing well. So this is the third episode in our Reversing Myopia series. So a couple of weeks ago I posted a video discussing my progress in reversing myopia. Excuse me. I talked about the fact that I've been experimenting for a while with factual and effective and practical ways into how one could go about reversing myopia, near or short sightedness. And I've been doing research for a couple of months, and when I posted the video I was trying some things out for a couple of weeks, and I was experiencing some good results, and I shared them with you. And in a video after, a couple of days after, I posted another video talking about the challenging that I'm experiencing as I'm reversing myopia. If you have not watched those two videos, I'm gonna post a link down below in the description for both of them. So please watch them before you continue with this series. So today I'm going to talk to you about the steps that I'm taking now to continue on the path of reversing myopia. So right now I'm wearing new contact lenses, and if you notice I'm blinking a little bit. It's late at night and I'm trying them out for the first time. My eyes are tired, so this is affecting my blinking motion a little bit. However, so after gaining back 3/4 of a diopter, almost the whole diopter of my eyesight, I decided, instead of buying new eyeglasses, which is gonna be expensive, I got contact lenses, and I got 2 packs. We're gonna talk about them now in a second. They have different prescriptions. In the second video, when I talked about the challenges, I mentioned that it would be ideal to have eyeglasses for close-up that have a different prescription from eyeglasses for far viewing distance. Ideally, for far objects you would like to have the strongest prescription, let's say, and for close objects you would like to have prescription that is 1.5 down, diopters down from the other one for far objects. So as I mentioned before, my prescription is down from -6.25 to -5.75, and that's the prescription for the eyeglasses, and that puts me at a range where I regained a third, three-fourths of a diopter, 0.75. So now the next challenge is to aim for one whole diopter. So instead of buying eyeglasses, after I felt that you know, my eyesight is strong enough to take on the next challenge, I got contact lenses, and the ones that I have here, they're -4.75. So I hope you can see the number. Now, why is the number this low? My eyeglasses, the ones that I wore in the first video, were -5.5. So the thing is, for those of you who wear eyeglasses, you probably know there's different prescriptions for eyeglasses and another different one for contact lenses. Usually the contact lenses have a lower prescription than the eyeglasses, and that's because the eyeglasses are not as close to your eye as the contacts. The contacts, you wear them directly on your eye, you put the plastic in your eye, so you need less prescription than eyeglasses. So my original prescription for my contacts was -4.75, and my glasses was -0.625. So after regaining 0.75 of the diopter, I'm aiming for a full one. And since my original contacts was -5.75, this one, which is -4.75, puts me at the, you know, the challenging viewing angle that I would like, so I can move on and continue with reversing myopia. So I got them today in the mail. I bought them online, and I'm wearing them right now. So far it's been good. It's been only like half an hour, and I have not left my home, so so far it's good. There's not a lot of strain, a lot of blurring. Far object in my property here, it's a little bit kind of blurry for very far objects, so I'm gonna challenge myself to look at far objects, use active focus tomorrow when I go to work, walk around, look as far as I can see, and once I feel like my eyes got used to the new challenge of one whole diopter less than the original prescription, and once I feel like I gained that diopter fully, I'll make another video announcing that, hey folks, one whole diopter is back, and I'll be very happy when that happens, and I have a feeling that's not going to be too far from today. So again, because eyeglasses are expensive, what I did is this. I bought negative 4.75, which is one whole diopter down from my original contact with prescription of negative 5.75. And I'm going to wear this for a couple of weeks, and once I feel like a whole diopter is back, I'm going to go with negative 4.50, negative 450, which is when I successfully feel comfortable wearing these ones, I can make a video and say I have regained one whole diopter and a quarter, 1.25 of a diopter back, and that'll be also awesome. So I'll do this for a couple of weeks. Ideally, I would like to wear the negative 4.75 for 2 weeks. Hopefully, that's too ambitious. I hope it works. And then the negative 4.50 for another 2 weeks. Again, that's too ambitious. Hopefully, it will work. If not, it's going to take me maybe 3 weeks for each. And thereafter, I might get eyeglasses with a prescription, you know, maybe negative 4.25 or negative 4.50, and of course I'll make a video and let you know about my progress. One thing to note is when I get used to the negative 4.50, I have to get eyeglasses of negative 4.75, not negative 4.25 and not negative 4.50, because as we said, eyeglasses have a higher prescription than contacts. So that's basically it for today. I thought I'd make a video, let you know about where I'm heading, what's the next step, what are the next steps I'm taking to continue with reversing myopia, and yeah, so I'll keep you posted on how this works, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're currently trying to reverse myopia, please comment below, let us know about your experience and what's going on with this whole journey of getting back your eyesight. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the button below to subscribe and to stay updated on all my videos. As always, I wish you peacefulness and happiness. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.